we're just going to go over the various filter options for the AirWash Multi-Pro. So first we're going to start with installing the two pre-filters. And what we have here is a pre-filter bracket holder inside of the filter housing. And so for this, what you're going to do is you're going to take the 1-inch 13 by 13 media pad filter. We're going to drop that in there first. Just sits in there all nice. And then we're going to take a 2-inch pleated filter. It's about a MERV 8 filter, and it again as well as 13 by 13 by 2 inches. So and for this one, we just slide it up inside, and then it just drops down, and then it's held in place by this bracket. It stops it from falling down, and then now it's secure to the front. So as you can see, we have the media pad filter there. So you have 2 stages of pre-filter. The next stage I'm going to show you is there's the HEPA cartridge, and this is a unique thing about the AirWash Multi-Pro compared to other similar products in the field, is we have a patent pending toolless filter change for the HEPA cartridge. So instead of taking anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes to change out your HEPA filters, basically all you're going to do is put the HEPA filter in place, give it a twist, and you have your HEPA filters installed. So as you can see, it takes no time at all. And so as another pre-filter option, which is probably not for like asbestos abatement, is a great option, but if you're doing fire, smoke remediation, or just chemical filtration, this is a washable foam pre-filter. And all this does is slides over the outside of the HEPA cartridge, like so. And you just want to massage it until you get into place. And then now you've got a third basically pre-filter to protect your HEPA in some situations. And this, because it's washable, you can even use this without the other pre-filters if it's not an asbestos abatement or mold remediation. And this filter could last you up to a year if you wash it and look after it properly. So again, just twists into place. Another option for our system, is we have 3 different carbon options to add on. So this one here is it's about a 1/4 inch to thick piece of non-woven carbon, and this here we just roll up and put on the inside of the HEPA filter. So it just sits in there like that, opens up, and now you've got a third a stage of carbon that's after the HEPA filter. And the reason why you want to have your carbon after the HEPA filter is because if it was before, then it gets clogged up with particulate, and then it can no longer absorb odors. So this helps prolong the life of your carbon. So now this would be for like a standard job where there's not a lot of VOCs or a lot of chemicals and that stuff, and you just want a little bit of odor absorption. But if you're into a high dust, high odor situation, then what we can do is we go to an upgraded 5-pound carbon canister. This canister is filled with activated carbon, but we can also do specialized carbons to focus on formaldehydes, acidic gases, metallic vapors, all kinds of different chemicals. So, and this again just slides inside of the HEPA filter. So what you want to do is you want to have the flange side facing up, so you can see it's a little bit wider here, and that just slides inside. And what we do then is you just take that, put it into the unit, and just give it a little twist. And now you've locked your filter in place, and you've got 5 pounds of carbon in the combination with the HEPA filter. So now we're just going to take this out, and I'm going to show you our extreme chemical option. So if you have an application that you're just concerned about odors, chemicals, you're not really concerned about particulate, or what you can do is you use multiple systems. You can have one system set up as HEPA, and then the second system set up as all carbon. And this is a 25-pound carbon canister, replaces the HEPA cartridge. It just goes inside like so, and same sort of thing, just twists into place, and now you've got 25 pounds of carbon inside of your system, and now you're good to go as far as odor situation for, let's just say you're doing flooring or painting. This will help you to control and keep that odor from getting elsewhere. And that's pretty much it for the different options for the Airwash Multi-Pro. But as you can see, filter change is fairly easy, no tools required. We have way more options compared to the other customers or the other brands that are out there. So that's it.